keyboard replacement and battery replacement on Dell Inspiron 15 to $7,577. Thank you, Man Princess, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing both the keyboard and battery on a laptop is a smart move that can drastically improve its usability and extend its overall lifespan. A worn-out or malfunctioning keyboard can lead to unresponsive keys, sticky buttons, or irregular typing, making everyday tasks like typing emails, writing documents, or coding much more challenging. By replacing the keyboard, you restore the smooth, precise typing experience that is essential for productivity, allowing you to work comfortably and efficiently without frustration. At the same time, as laptop batteries degrade over time, they start to lose their ability to hold a charge, leading to shorter usage times and constant recharging. A battery replacement restores your laptop's mobility and allows you to use it for extended periods without being tethered to a power outlet. With a new battery, you regain the flexibility and freedom to work, study, or enjoy entertainment on the go, just like when a laptop was new. By addressing these two critical components at once, you breathe new life into your laptop, improving both its functionality and portability. These replacements also prevent the need to purchase a new device, saving money and ensuring your current laptop continues to serve you well for years to come. Professional installation of both the keyboard and battery ensures that the repairs are done with precision and care, minimizing the risk of further issues. Guaranteeing that your laptop performs at its best in the long run, replacing the keyboard and battery together provides a reliable, cost-effective solution that enhances both the comfort and functionality of your device. However, at PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Keyboard replacement and battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard and battery replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.